For those comments,
Minister wa githomo Julius Migosi augite ministry ya githomo niratanya kwanjiriria mutaratara mweru wa mathomo uria ukuhotithia arutwo kugia na githomo kia mabuku na gia kothi cia moko na ikiro ciganaine.
I have taken to cabinet ile policy ya dual training which is 50% mtoto atakuwa hapa kwa class, 50% anafanya kwa ile, kama anafanya hospitality anaenda kwa industry, anafanya kwa hoteli, because analysis are shown when you do dual training 85% of our trainees ambao wanafanya dual training wakienda katika ile industry hawarudi.
Mutaratara uyu uratanya gutigirira gicunji kia 78 kia arutwo aria mateingirire thukuru cia university ni magia na kanya ga gwibundithia kothi cia moko. Akiaria thi kaunti-ini ya Mombatha hindi igongona ria gucenjia thukuru uria wari wa airetu wa mama ngina na kutwa thukuru wa kothi cia moko, Migosi augite ni maratanya kwandikithia arutwo milioni 2 rungu rwa mutaratara uyu mweru gwikinya mwisho wa mwaka uyu niguo kwongerera namba ya arutwo aria ni 450 aria mekuingira mathomo-ini ma kothi cia moko.
Lazima to increase the number of enrollment from the 450,000 to 2 million. Wakashtuka sana wakasema labda itawezekana, lakini nawaambia inawezekana kwa sababu kwa nchi yetu tuko na youth karibu 4 million katika age ya 15 to 35 ambao hawako kwa employment, ambao hawako kwa formal schools, wako hapa katikati, hawako kwa
ministry no kugerera bodi ya kubacirira mathomo ma iguru yugete ni rutete ciringi bilioni 32.7 gatagati ka mwaka wa 2024 na 2025 niguo kubacirira mathomo ma arutwo a university kuri arutwo 195 kuma thukuru cia kothi cia moko na arutwo 390 kuma thukuru cia university magunikite na mbeca ici.
In the current financial year 2024-2025 alone, the Higher Education Loans Board has disbursed Kenya shillings 32.7 billion for upkeep and tuition loans to a total of 195,522 students in TVET institutions and 390,612 students in university.
Ona kuri uguo Migosi ni arutire arũgamĩrĩria githomo kaunti-ini mukana wa thiku 14 matigirire thukuru cia secondary iria ihingĩrĩirie certificate cia arutwo ni mairekereria kuri arutwo acio niguo mahote guthii na mbere na mathomo mao ma college na kwa uguo moerwo makinya ma kiwatho.
But there are 14 days. They will have to get alternative methods of recovering because some of these certificates have been held for 10 years. So really it's not an efficient way of collecting the school fees. The institutions need to start working and finding better alternatives to recover their fees.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Nduta wa Buthia.
for those comments,